Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Jo number EST-125-DU. This is an extended lip ANSI strike in a Duro coated finish. So let's talk about it. EST, extended lip. It's an extended strike. It also means that it is an ANSI or 4 7/8 high tall strike, which would be intended primarily for hollow metal doors. The -125 is a reference to the extension of the lip, and that is equal to 2.5 inch, and we'll talk about that more in a minute. The DU, that means that this is a powder-coated dark bronze finish. This is on stainless. It's powder-coated stainless. This finish will complement oil rub bronze, a 313 finish, a dark bronze sort of painted finish. Jo does not offer this strike Jo does not offer this strike in a true oil rubbed bronze finish. If you're looking for that from Jo, this would be the closest that they would provide. But the truth of the matter is it's incredibly complementary to oil rubbed bronze. Now, dimensionally, let's go over it. The overall height, as we said, was 4 7/8. Okay. Again, intended for, you're going to see this in a hollow metal frame, a 4 7/8 strike prep. Nothing preventing you from using it in a wood frame except that you'd have to mortise for it. And it could be that your wood frame is. It wouldn't be impossible. Other people buy these taller strikes because they want to disguise some prior damage above and below their standard 2 1/4 or 2 3/4 strike, even though that's relatively uncommon, but it's not unheard of. Now, the 2.5 inch, that's not the overall width of the strike. Extended lip strikes are measured from the center line of the screw holes to the edge of the lip, and that's where the 2.5 inch comes in. Okay, and this is going to have an overall of about 3 inch, about 3 3/16. There is a link below this video to a document called Template, where you can review all of the important dimensional properties. This strike is available in 3 finishes: satin bronze, which would be on a bronze-based material, stainless steel, satin finish, and then the DU finish. The template lists a reference to 605 polished brass that was or has been discontinued from them. Now, where you would use an extended lip strike, any place where you need to mitigate the problem of the latch bolt from the door striking something prematurely. Casework, the wall, shutters. You've got an especially deep frame with an unusually deep inset on the door. Inset's measured from the pull side of the door. But whatever the point of the matter is, if your door is pushed into the frame substantially, not unheard of, if your inset was measured at, typical inset on the pull side of the door is an 1/8 of an inch, 3/32 of an inch. Well, imagine if that door was sunk in, an additional inch or something in that range. The standard sort of offset for a strike is about 1.25 inches, 1 3/8. So this is every good bit of an inch wider than standard. Okay, keep that in relationship to how this compares against standard strikes. It's about 1 inch, 1.1 larger, 1.1 larger. Okay. People will also use this in a scenario where they've got a kitchen, cabinetry and casework everywhere, even on the face of the refrigerator door. Well, they've got a pantry that's made to look to disguise and mimic the rest of the casework. Well, you're probably going to need a funny strike like this in order to be able to handle whatever you're latching it with. Also, if you're looking at extended lip strikes, what goes hand in hand with those are wide throw hinges, of which we can help there as well. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line product catalog from Jo. The full line catalog, it's a substantial document. There is on that page links to just the subsections. You're going to see that they do more than just extended lip strikes. Bolts, pivots, kick plates, push plates, pull plates, things of that nature, door stops, hinges, custom pulls, and obviously extended lip strikes. But it's their 2 categories of door reinforcing wraparound plates and latch protectors that they're most widely known for. Before I sign off, this strike does include the screws. That's a combination style screw that you'll be able to successfully use in either a wood frame or a hollow metal frame. Any questions on the Donjo EST-125 extended lip strike or any other Donjo product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.